Hey guys, welcome back. What have I done so far? Update on my van. Right, I've stained the lats for my roof. Only got 7. That's right. I think I calculated probably about 12, maybe 13. No, 7 would be about 10 to 12. Anyway, I've stained them oak. Don't know if you can see that, how well it looks. Yeah, it's a bit in the grooves there and stuff, but it looks fine. Quite happy with it actually. The grain comes out. They're not fully dry yet. I've just finished them. So I don't think I'm going to give it another coat. I think I'm just going to keep it as it is. They're quite dark, but I don't want them too dark. But yeah, I think they will look well with the lighting in the middle once it's up on the black roof. Fitted 4 panels. As you can see, these are up to hold it. I've glued it, and I've got screws in the centre there where the beams are. I don't know if you can see them. And they've got the fancy little countersunk washers on, which look cool. They're all bronze. And my board, and it's fixed inside here, glued and stuck in. There's a piece of wood here, screwed in, and these are wedged into it. And there's just enough spring tension for the wood to go in and sort of bend around the board. This is my 3mm plywood for my roof. I'm going to let this set for 2 days before I take down these supports and see how we get on. Anyway, quite happy with it, how it worked out. I'm going to be a bit strange with the centre in here. These are here because I've got a little bit extra wood up in here. You can see that where I had to extend, so that's just holding that while it glues in there. You're not really going to see it, it's just to cover the foil and stuff and to make the thickness good. But anyway, just getting there. Hey guys, welcome back to my van build number 8, just to give you an update of what I've done. So I've done this part of the roof, which I'm quite happy with. I stained these dark oak, they're just pine lats. I've got this side here, which I've done. Give this a couple of days. I've just finished this one. It looks warped because of the beams pushed up there. These poles are all up there holding it up. Screws are in the middle, but once they come down, it'll level out. And then in the middle, I think I've got enough space for a beam, and then I'll put one big long light in the middle. I think that's what I'm going to do. The reason why I've done that is because up here I've got the wood where I've jammed these into, and you can see it on that one in there, and glue. It's all got to be tidied up obviously, and then this bit here is where the light came out, so that's going to be done separately. So I'll work it out, cut around it. Anyway, that's why I've done what I've done now, how I've done it I mean. What else have I done? Taken off the door panel and insulated, barrier proofed it. Same as this one here, I've done this one. So that's all done. Just got this side to do then. And then these are going to be wood panels on this side. I'm going to 4-way stretch carpet the door panel on that one. Wood on here, and wood on my back doors. Separate, two separate pieces with a gap in the middle, maybe carpet in the middle. Yeah. And I'm going to carpet the wood on the door panels. On here, I'm going to paint it. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you've got any ideas. Oh yeah, my tape keeps coming off. Don't know if you can see that in there. In parts of it, not all of it, but parts of it are just not sticking properly. And then I double up, and it's just like, I'm not sure what's happening with it. Other parts are good, like all this is fine. But anyway, if you've got any comments about how I can rectify that or why it's happening, you can let me know. And give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye.